Well, nearly 6 months after Hunter Biden's plea deal fell apart in open court, a federal grand jury in California has now indicted the president's son on 9 tax charges, alleging he spent millions on drugs, strippers, luxury hotels, exotic cars. It all stems from special counsel David Weiss's probe into Biden's business dealings. Back in October, Hunter Biden pleaded not guilty to 3 federal gun charges in federal court in Delaware. Let's bring in correspondent Evan Lambert, who is live outside the Department of Justice in Washington. So, Evan, tell us, what more are we learning today?
Nichole, this is the second indictment for Hunter Biden in this years-long investigation into his business dealings. And it follows charges in September accusing him of buying a gun in 2018 while using drugs. These new counts are tax-related, 9 of them. 3 of them are felonies for failing to pay more than $1 million in taxes between years 2016 and 2019. We should note he has since paid those back taxes. I want to get to this indictment and read a part of it. This indictment coming out of California, where Hunter was living at the time. Prosecutors saying, quote, between 2016 and October 15th, 2020, the defendant spent this money on drugs, escorts, and girlfriends, luxury hotels and rental properties, exotic cars, clothing, and other items of a personal nature. In short, everything but his taxes. This indictment delving into his expenses line by line for the period where Hunter Biden has admitted to struggling with drug addiction, saying that he spent $700,000 on various women, almost $400,000 on clothing and accessories, and nearly $200,000 on adult entertainment, including strippers. Hunter Biden's lawyer, Abby Lowell, firing back at the charges, saying in a statement, quote, based on the facts and the law, if Hunter's last name was anything other than Biden, the charges in Delaware and now California would not have been brought. Now, these charges do follow the blowing up over the summer of a plea deal, which critics called a sweetheart deal. If convicted, Hunter Biden could face 17 years in prison on these tax charges. That's the maximum. It is not likely to happen because Hunter Biden is a first-time non-violent offender. But the special counsel here, David Weiss, making a note in announcing these charges, these new charges, that this investigation is still very much ongoing. Nichole?
All right, very much ongoing. All right, Evan Lambert, thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.